Guys, inside this video I want to show you this new spray gun where I just buy. How I take buy am from Temu. I don't put am for my YouTube channel, you go watch am, but then I wan teach you how I take dey use am, because many people don dey ask me question like this on top my video, say this thing how dey fit take get am, how dey fit take use am. I don already put everything for my YouTube, you go see am for there. So guys, this one na this one I order from Temu, but this one I buy am from market, for Nigeria market here, shey you get. But wetin come happen be say this spray gun wey I dey use now, e get issue. But the thing wey get issue inside na the needle. E get one needle wey dey inside wey get issue. So if I don go market again, I dey plan to go market now. If I don go market, I go buy needle. If I see am new, if I no see am, I no go buy. If I see needle, I go buy am. I go come test am again. I hope say if I fix the needle issue, e suppose fit still work again, this one. So pending the time wey be say I go solve the issue of this one, I don already order new one. So na this one I go dey use now. So may I show you how I take dey use am. So as you dey see now, I go put am on top this thing. You dey see am? You dey see am? Aha, nice one. I don fix am like that. You see as e stand. So I go do wetin? I go on am for here. E don dey blow breeze. May I show you how I take dey blow the breeze. Wetin I fit show you sef o. You dey see am? You see am? You see say the breeze dey blow? You see am? The breeze don dey blow like that. So I wan put dye now. I wan put dye. May I come spray am, may I see how e take dey work. So na why I go buy this dye. Na the dye wey I dey use be this, because some of una don even dey ask me say which dye I dey use inside my spray gun. Na this one I dey use. So there are still many other ones, shey you get, but e depend on the amount wey my client dey pay me. Na im go determine the kind of things wey I go dey use for them. Imagine say I go buy all those liquid dye of like 9,000 naira for person wey no go pay to like wey no go pay like 5,000 naira. You dey understand? So e no really dey okay. So na this one I dey use. So I wan show you how I take dey mix the dye inside. So I go remove this one now. I go remove this one. I go use the one wey dey here before, so that you go fit see how the dye take dey inside. You no really need to push too much. Na just small and e go work. So na this one follow the other one come. This one, you see say this one dey transparent, so anything wey I pour inside this one now, you go fit see am. So me, I go keep this one. Me, I go use this one for myself. But for the sake of this video, I go use this one for you guys. So may I see whether this one go fit enter this place. Suppose enter. You see am? Nice one. You no really get any wahala. See as e enter. So all those things, like they do am for each other, na the same measurement. They follow all of them come. So something wey dey inside this one suppose fit work for this one. So may I come mix the dye. So may you see how I take dey mix the dye. So this crusted dye now, na these two dey follow am come, and na these two you go mix. So na the hydrogen peroxide be this. So if you first put this one like this, just open am, make you put this one. So na small you go put, small. No put too much at all, just small. Like say you drop. You dey see am? You dey see am? Na small. This one sef wey I put don too much. If I use am for one person, I no fit use am finish. You go dey wonder say why. You no fit finish. If I use am for one person, so I go need to pour the remaining sef away. E don too much like that. So which means say even if you buy this one, before you go use this thing finish, the amount of customer you go use am for, e go many. You dey understand like that? So this one now, may I open this one too? May I pour this one too inside? Make this one no go pour inside my clothes, so no go funny. So this one too, na like drop you go put inside. Aha. You see say e no really much, but then e go do the work wey e suppose do. E go do am. You see am? You see am like that. If you say you don dey turn black, you go turn black. So me I come spray am now. Make we see how e take dey work. So you go just close this one. So abeg, if you just buy all these things, all this one, no touch am o. No try go dey open am. Just leave am. Leave am. Your own na to just dey clean am. Because na the day wey I first go touch all these things, wey I start to dey lose am, dey check wetin dey cry inside radio. Na that day the thing start to dey get issue. As e be normally then you fit lose am, but then you wey be say you never really sabi in and out, make you no go spoil the one wey be say you just buy. You never really sabi am. Me now I don use the first one wey I buy, I don use am get experience. So if I lose am, nothing go do am. I know wetin I dey do inside. You dey understand? So if you get any issue, you fit just contact me. You fit message me on TikTok or make you drop comment, I go see am. So anything wey, even as you wan order this thing sef, if you no sabi how you go take order am, if you no fit order am on if you no wan wait make you order am from Temu, I fit help you buy am for market, for Naija market here, help you send am if you no dey Lagos. So all these things no really get problem. Me I don dedicate myself for all these things. Shey you get? You wan buy am, you wan order am, everything I go guide you. You no worry. Na why I dey here for you. So wetin I go do be say I go on am. As I on am like this, normally dye no suppose come out. The only thing wey suppose dey come out na air, ordinary air. You see am? Na why I bring white paper. You see am? You see say nothing don come out. Nothing don come out yet. So make I come start to dey press, make I come start to dey spray am. You see am? Oblego. Somebody say power. You see am? You see as I dey spray am? You see as I dey spray am? Na so e suppose be. So you go just dey spray am on top of your customer head. You go get your normal this thing o, your normal spraying card o. That card wey be say you go use dey line am. So you go get your normal spraying card. You dey get you go just dey do wetin, dey spray am like this. Till you go spray your customer finish. This thing no fit finish. You see as e still plenty inside. May I spray all this thing, make you see wetin I dey talk. Say if you use am, e no go finish. You see say e still remain. E still remain. So e no go fit finish. You see the dye now. So as e be like this, na so e go take black on your customer head. You see am now. You see as this one don black. Na so the dye go take black. See the other one. You see as e white. See this one. Na the perfect example be that. You see as e be. Na so this dye take dey work. You dey get? Na the dye wey I dey use be that. As I don spray am, na so e go black, and this other side you see as white. So na the difference be that. So this one now, before you use am finish, you go take. You get? And na small you go dey mix. Small. So if you wan come dye the full hair, you fit just use all this normal dye, all these normal all those normal Subaru and Cruset, this thing wey dey inside tube like this. You fit use all those ones take dye the whole hair. You get? But for the hairline, make the like take sharp like blade. So na this one you go use. Na just small you need, small. If you come say you use small, you know dey enough, add another one. So me I show you now how I take dey clean this thing. So the remaining one now I go pour am away. I no go fit use am again. I don tell you say I no fit use am finish. So you see say as I dye everything, imagine your head no fit big reach this thing o. You no get your head wan take big reach. You no fit big reach this thing. So if I no fit use am finish for this thing and e still remain, e mean say wetin you need for the hairline no really much. So now I go use this one now take clean am. I go use this one take clean am. So this one na spirit, na Moko spirit be this. So now I go pour this thing away. I dey come. So now as I dey talk, if you leave the dye wey you don use now, as you don use am now, if you leave am inside this thing, if e dry, na wetin dem dey call clogging be that. E go clog your hairbrush. This spray gun, e go clog am, which mean say you no go allow, if you wan use am again, you no go allow that dye make dey come out. Na only air go just dey come out. You no go allow the dye dey come out. So you go need clean, spray out anything wey remain inside these things. So now wetin I go do be this. Once I close this thing back, na two method I wan use inside this video. Two method. The first method to clean this thing na to use spirit, and the other one na to use water. So may I first use this one. So wetin I dey do be say I go first rinse am like this. I go pour this one away. So as I don use am rinse am now, I don pour am away. So I go come put another spirit like this. If I don put another spirit, na this one now I go come use spray whatever dey inside this thing. So you go spray am until wetin dey come out, e go be like this spirit. So I go use this thing wey I use now before. This thing wey I use before, I go use am again. So you go on your airbrush. So once you on am, start to dey spray am. You see as e dey be, you see wetin dey come out. You see say e still get dye inside. So you go spray am.
Is it carry out continue to Cadillac? Not necessarily. But
So I go spray am until I no fit see that black stuff again. I wan first use this side so that I go use this other side take confirm say the dye no dey there again. You see am, the spirit never still finish o, e still dey there. You go spray am, you go spray everything comot. No be say make you go dey manage something wey go help you maintain this thing, make you come go dey manage spirit o, or else you go cry o. I don tell you. Spirit wey you wan use no really much. Now make I spray am to this side, make I see whether the stuff don comot finish. You dey see am now say e no really get any color now, e no really get any black color. You dey see am. So the spirit don finish. Make I add another spirit. I go add small to take confirm say everything don comot finish. I don add small spirit like that. So make I spray that one too. Make I use am ensure say everything don comot, e no dey inside again. You see am. You see as I dey spray am. Hope say you dey see am. Make I no go put am for where you no go see am. So e mean say most of the thing wey dey inside don do wetin? E don comot. E don comot. Make I off the machine. So I wan use the second method. I wan use the second method. That second method I never use am before, but I believe say nothing go sup. Make sure I no spoil the thing wey I just buy, because I never even use this one for any customer like this now. Because I dey see some people say na wetin dem dey use wash their own be that. They go put water, but then ChatGPT dey tell me say water go make the stuff rust. I no even know which one to believe, but anything wey go happen, may happen. Because if we no test am, make we see wetin go sup. Shey you get? We no go fit know the full main ten ance of the stuff. So nothing dey. I go add water now. I go add water. So, but then I dey feel like say shey make I add water, abi make I use this spirit take do the second method. May I use spirit take do the second method, make I see how e go be. So wetin the second one talk say? The second method, you go put water, but then I wan use spirit. May I see how I go take work. So wetin dem come talk say once you put water, but na spirit I dey use o, because I dey fear make the thing no go start to dey rust. You know say water dey make metal, e dey make metal rust. Na why I dey feel like say make e no go make am rust. So na wetin I come do be this. So instead of say as I don on am now, wey the air don dey come out, instead of me I come dey spray am make e dey go out, I go come block this thing now. I come dey spray am. You see as e dey do? Everything wey dey inside, e go come dey follow this place come out. You see as e dey follow that side come out. You see am? So e mean say anything wey dey inside that side, e don dey follow that place come out. So I go just do wetin? You see am? May I off my machine? So na the second method be that. If you look the water, you go see say the water e dirty small. You see am? You see when I put if you see the spirit, I mean say na spirit. You go see say the spirit e get one kind color. So you don wash wetin dey inside small. So na the second method be that. You see as I block the stuff, I come press am, shey you get. So I go recommend say you fit even dey use the two method. The two method no really cost you anything. You see am, you see say you see the spirit wey I dey use. You see na small spirit I bring come o, I never even use am reach anywhere. So the thing wey you go use wash am after use, e no really much. So you see am like that. So e no really go far. And how much I dey buy this spirit? I dey buy am like 1,600 or 2,000. So if you buy am for where e expensive, e fit be 2,000. But then one person don sell am for me 1,600 or 1,400 sha. So e no really go far. So as this one come out like this now, this one now I'll go pour am away. I don clean the airbrush with that. So na once you don use am for one customer, clean am like this, or else you go cry o. I dey tell you now. So wash am, clean am like this, make everything neat. If you wan use am for the next customer, do the same thing, put dye, use am, clean am again. No talk say work plenty. By the time you talk say work plenty, something wey dey make your work sharp, make e clean, by the time e spoil, you go need go buy another one again. You go need buy another one, and by that time you go know say this thing cleaning no fit really cost you much than wetin if e spoil go cost you. You get wetin I dey talk like that. Na im be that.